want to describe what was not happening in the past. In this video, you'll learn how to make negative sentences in the past continuous tense with 50 useful examples, perfect for daily English speaking and grammar practice. Let's begin. Structure of negative sentences in past continuous tense. Subject plus was verb plus not plus ing form of the verb plus object. Quick explanation. Use was not with I, he, she, it. Use were not with you, we, they. The verb takes ing form, present participle. This structure describes actions that were not happening at a specific time in the past. For example, I was not watching TV. They were not playing football. She wasn't reading a book. 50 negative sentences in past continuous tense. I was not watching TV. She was not reading a book. They were not playing outside. We were not cooking dinner. He was not studying for the test. You were not calling me. It was not raining at that time. The children were not sleeping. My mom was not baking a cake. The dog was not barking. I was not walking to school. She was not listening to music. We were not cleaning the room. He was not doing his homework. They were not laughing. You were not helping her. The teacher was not teaching English. I was not writing in my diary. She was not waiting for the bus. We were not playing chess. He was not brushing his teeth. They were not watching the movie. I was not ironing my clothes. She was not making tea. You were not telling the truth. We were not eating together. He was not fixing the computer. The baby was not crying. I was not doing exercise. She was not talking on the phone. They were not building sandcastles. You were not studying properly. We were not planning the trip. He was not drinking coffee. She was not painting the wall. I was not using the laptop. They were not singing songs. You were not attending the meeting. We were not checking the emails. She was not feeding the dog. He was not watching the match. I was not playing the guitar. They were not waiting outside. She was not shopping at the mall. We were not enjoying the movie. You were not reading the newspaper. The boys were not running in the hall. I was not learning Spanish. He was not talking to his friend. She was not organizing the files. Well done. Now you have practiced 50 negative sentences in the past continuous tense. Keep repeating them to speak naturally and confidently. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy grammar lessons every day. Thanks for watching.